The walk in Newell's Paddock Urban Nature Park in full screen generated an immersive experience for me to gain a deeper understanding of natural environment as well as a different insight of the concept place. As I entered the park, I was drawn into the fabulous green space lying in Melbourne's inner urban ring, which considers nature, the non-human elements, and culture, the human elements, as inherently intertwined. The landscape, dominated by small forbs, pine trees, and stony soils, representing its ecosystem prior to European settlement. When I saw the holistic view through my drone, I started to ponder the deep connection between the country and the Aboriginal people, the Wurrung tribe of the Kulin Nation, according to Bond 2021, and how I could foster the connection with the land I stood on. As we could see, the park was decorated by many pine trees and young eucalyptus trees, which were actually the symbolic expression of the local climate, as they prefer to grow in a mild and temperate climate. And I noticed all the trees were growing asymmetrically and tend to be heavier on one side. More interestingly, the trees on the right lean away from others and towards a clear view of the sun. Such observations made me think about the concept of biological science, which could be extended as a basic need of green plants, needing the sun to conduct photosynthesis and reflecting sun's arch when they grow. The river seemed to be deeper and darker than usual, with a faster flowing current in the afternoon, mainly due to the recently rainy week in Melbourne. Lucky on that afternoon, I encountered a couple of black swans foraging by the riverside, which fed on algae and water weeds. In the meanwhile, a group of Paddocks resided on the other side of the road in a little wetland. Between these two species, demarcations of who will reside where, how they would live, and how their behavior towards one another was determined, according to WAS 2013. This phenomenon made me reflect on the concept of ecosystem and habitats. If we accept the idea that all living things contain spirit, then this extends beyond complex structures within an ecosystem. It means that non-human inhabitants choose how they reside, interact, and develop relationships with other non-humans, according to WAS 2013. So all elements of nature possess agency, and this agency is not limited to innate action or casual relationships. Thus, habitats and ecosystems are better understood as society from an indigenous point of view, meaning that they have ethical structures, inner species, traits, and agreements, according to WAS 2013. I then realized the natural park is a pedagogical contact zone, which is a state of entanglement of human and more than human others, according to Ham and Butcher 2017. In other words, shifting, engaging, and noticing entanglements provoke a way of rethinking pedagogy, moving towards matters of concern on human and non-human beings. According to Ariel, etc. 2017, the whole experience has consolidated my ecological identity and opened myself to a broader connection to the place I stay, according to Paulo 2019, and I realized natural science is all around us.